Hello everyone, today we are here to learn the clothes in Sinhala by Language Arts with VA. Hat is toppiya, hat is toppiya, shirt is kamisaya, shirt is kamisaya, t-shirt is t-shirt, t-shirt is t-shirt, shorts is kota kalisama, shorts is kota kalisama, longs is digga kalisama, longs is digga kalisama. Skirt is saya. Skirt is saya. Jacket is jacket. Jacket is jacket. Frock is gauma. Frock is gauma. Coat is kabaya. Coat is kabaya. Let's recap. Hat is toppiya. Shirt is kamisaya. T-shirt is t-shirt. Shorts is kota kalisama. Longs is digga kalisama. Skirt is saya. Jacket is jacket. Frock is gauma. Coat is kabaya. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe if you haven't and hit the like button and share this among your friends and comment about this video. Bye. See you in our next video.